So in this video, I will show you how you can build an AI agent which can handle property inquiries, which can recommend property to your clients or leads according to their preference, and as well as it can also book appointments into your calendar. And the most crucial or the most important part here is this AI agent is also capable to handle multiple time zones. So this is what the AI agent can do, and now I will show you a live demo so that you can have an idea how this AI caller is working and how this AI caller actually sounds, right? So let's jump into the live demo.
Hi there, this is Andrew from Next Gen Realty. How can I help you today?
Hey Andrew, actually I'm looking for a property to buy.
Oh, that's exciting. Can you tell me a bit more about what you're looking for? Like, is it a residential home, a commercial space, or maybe an investment property?
Oh, so actually I'm looking for a house to buy in San Diego, California, and I have a budget around $9 million.
Got it. House in San Diego with a budget of around $9 million. Do you have any specific requirements? Like the number of bedrooms?
No,
Do you want a certain number of bedrooms?
no, actually, I don't have any specific requirements.
Ah, okay. Thanks for clarifying. Can I get your name, by the way?
Yeah, my name is Jones, Jones.
Thanks, Jones. One last thing, can I have your email address? I'll spell it back to confirm just to make sure it's correct.
Yeah, it's jones@gmail.com.
All right, so your email is jones@gmail.com. Let me spell it back to confirm jones@gmail.com. Is that correct?
Yeah, it's correct.
Perfect. Give me just a moment while I find the best property options for you. Hang tight.
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
All right, Jones. I found some great options for you in San Diego. 456 Market Street, priced at $1,200,000. It's a charming two-bedroom, two-bathroom house with a lovely garden. However, it doesn't have parking. 2789 Palm Avenue, a spacious four-bedroom, three-bathroom home for $850,000. It features a beautiful garden and private parking perfect for families. I've also sent all the property details to your email so you can check them out anytime. Would you like to book an appointment with one of our real estate experts to discuss further?
Yeah, that sounds great to me, and I would like to book an appointment with an expert.
Awesome. When would you like to schedule the appointment? Let me know the date and time that works best for you.
Oh, yeah, so actually, I would like to book the appointment upcoming Monday at 11 a.m.
Got it. Upcoming Monday at 11 a.m. Just to confirm, which country and city are you currently in?
Oh, so I am in India right now.
All right, you're in India. Which city in India are you currently in?
Actually, I am in Bangalore.
Got it. You're in Bangalore, India. Let me confirm everything. Appointment upcoming Monday at 11 a.m. Your current location, Bangalore, India. Let me quickly check if that time is available. Hang tight.
Yeah, sure.
Oh no, it looks like the time you wanted is already booked. Um, but here are the closest available slots for that day. 11:30 a.m., 12 p.m., 12:30 p.m. Which one works best for you?
Okay, then book the appointment at 11:30 a.m.
All right, let me book the appointment for you at 11:30 a.m. on Monday. One moment.
Okay.
Your appointment has been successfully booked for 11:30 a.m. on Monday. You'll receive an invitation link soon in your email. If you have any other questions or need help, feel free to reach out. Have a great day, Jones.
Yeah, have a great day, Andrew. Bye. Okay, so now you can see that the AI agent is capable to check the calendar available slots, and it also capable to book appointments, right? So how I am doing that? So I am using Retail AI to build the AI agent. If you are not familiar with Retail AI or voice agents, you can check my previous videos. And so I am using retail AI for building the voice agent and make.com for building the automation. So if you are new to the channel and don't know who I am, myself Shivam, and I help businesses to implement this kind of AI voice solutions or AI solutions for their business, right? So this is who I am and what I do, right? And now I will show you how you can build this same AI agent for your business. By the way, if you are a business owner looking for some kind of voice agents for your business, or you want to explore how this AI solutions or AI systems can help you in your business, there is a link in the description. You can book a free one-to-one AI consultation call with me and we can have a chat, right? Now I will show you how you can build this AI agent. So first of all, you have to create a account on Retail AI, and after that you have to create a multi-prompt agent. I will show you how you can create. So after you log in Retail AI, you will see a interface like this. You have to create a new agent, but for now you don't have to do that because I will give you this whole setup or whole AI agent for free in the description. So you can just download the templates there, and you can just click on import, and you can just click on here, and you can just directly import the agent to your retail account, right? And I will also give you the template, you can see here in the description, right? So you can just download the template and just set up the modules there, right? So how, if you don't know how to do that, you can just go to more. After you download it, you just need to click on import, and then you just need to choose the file, right? After you save it, it will show you whole scenario like this. So this is the automation I am using for the whole setup. In this video I will not go through the whole automation step by step because it will take a lot of time, right? I will make a separate video on this automation only. So if you are not subscribed to this channel, you can subscribe to this channel. Now I will show you how you can set up the retail AI agent. So if you go to the agent, you will have the agent in the description. You can just download the whole agent and you can just import it by click here, right? And after you have the agent here, you will see some things here. So you cannot see anything here. You have to go to edit prompt 3, and there you can see that you will have a you can say flow types, right? So it is a flow of the agent. So I have actually defined the persona for the agent first. So first of all, I describe the agent role, then its task, then its specifics, then context, then I add some notes, right? And then I created the edge. If the user is looking to buy, rent, or invest in a property, it will actually transition from this state to this state. So this state name is property recommendation state, right? So in this state, the AI agent will ask for their name, their budget, preferred location, and all of that. Also, it will ask for their specific requirements and all of that, their email, and then it will run a function called property recommendation. So if you don't know how to create a function in retail AI, you can check out my channel. I have made a separate video for that, so you can check it out. After all of this, the agent will ask if they want to book an appointment with an expert. Then I added the same notes to make the conversation a little bit more human sounding, right? Then if I show you the custom function, I have added the name, the description. This is the webhook URL, right? So this is the webhook URL of this webhook. Now you have to create a function, a custom function, right? If you don't know how to create it, you can check my previous videos. And I have added speak during execution. So it will say something like, got it, give me a moment while I find the best property option for you, right? After all of this, if the client or the lead agrees to have an appointment with the real estate expert, it will actually transition the state from the property recommendation state to appointment booking state. So the condition will be if the caller wants to book an appointment with the real estate expert, right? So From here, I am as I have asked some of the details like the name, email. I actually want to have all of this data in this state as well. So I have created a JSON schema for that. This is the same procedure for creating a function, right? Now, if I go to this state, you can see that I have mentioned the person name by declaring a variable, email, preferred state of the person's city, the property type they are looking for, estimated budget, specific requirements of the person, and all of that. Then after that, in this state, the AI agent will ask for the date and time they want to schedule the appointment. It will also inquire about the country they are currently in, and ask which and it will also ask in which which city are they in, because it will help us to identify their time zone. So if we have their country and their city, we can easily identify their time zone in this automation, right? So it will ask about their country and city. Then it will confirm the details like the date, country and city. Then it will run another function called check calendar availability 1, so that it can check the available time slots in the calendar. Now after it check the calendar available slots, if that time is available, it will run another function called book appointment to book the appointment in the calendar. Again, the notes, the same notes. If I show you the custom function, these are the custom function. The description, use this function to check available time on calendar, right? The same webhook URL, right? The parameters, the JSON schema, right? And this is all. And then we have the book appointment function. So it will help us to book the appointment. So you can have all of this template and all of the prompt in the description, right? So you can just import the agent and you can just give it a thorough read how this AI agent is working, right? So it will actually ask for the name, preferred state, and all of that. After it will book an appointment with their preferred time. So this is all for the AI agent part or retail part. Then you have to build this automation. Now I will not show you how you can build this automation, because this automation single-handedly will take an hour to build. If you want to build this from scratch, or if I want you to show you how this how you can set it up, it will also take an half an hour more. So I will make a separate video on this automation only, so that you can have idea. I can just give you overview of this property recommendation system. So it will actually search for the property by filtering out the state, city, and the property type. And after that, it will create a JSON. Then after it create a JSON, it will actually aggregate to JSON, which will aggregate all of the property details into a JSON, right? Then I have added a, you can say, create completion step. You can add your OpenAI module here, right? Which will actually analyze their preference, and as well as I will give them the JSON string so that it can analyze their preference and output the best property for their client, you know. Then the webhook, so it will give back the response to this webhook. And then I have also added a email or Gmail module to send the property details into their Gmail, right? So this is the flow for property recommendation part, and this is for the check calendar availability in the same time zone and book appointment in the same time zone, and this is for the different time zone. So I will soon make a video on this automation only. Now if you want to see how you can build an AI agent for a restaurant, you can check the left video on the screen. And if you want to know how you can create an AI agent for a dental clinic, you can check the right video on the screen. So yeah, that's it for the video. I will see you in the next one.